So this is the famous Switzerland is a beautiful country. This is our India. Isn't this amazing? Thanks to PRO. And last night was okay. I got a small cottage. It was not very expensive. Plus the dinner was free, so it was an amazing experience. The guests were sitting together having dinners and watching cricket match and everything. So it was real fun. By the way, look at the blue Pangong Lake behind me. Isn't it just amazing? The camps were pretty expensive. I was lucky to get a guest house, a small one, but that's okay. The tents were around 3,000 to 4,000. So if you are coming in a group or as a couple, that will be okay for you, but not as a solo traveler. I would recommend stay in the guest houses like this. It will cost you around 500 to 700 plus dinner, which is okay. I mean, you have to stay for a night and move on further in the morning. Yeah, I guess I'll just move on and I'll keep you posted where I'm going. I think I fell one or twice, and because the climb was too steep and I don't know, my bike was not climbing up. Look at the snow, guys. This is Changla Pass. Let me show you the sign so you can see behind me. So guys, I saw this snow. I couldn't help myself but stop here and show you the snow. The way I drove the bike, fell twice. I think this is worth it. Enough fun. It's time to head back, because we shouldn't stay at passes for more than 10-20 minutes. We've suffered last time and don't want to suffer it today. So let's go. Hi guys, so we have reached Lagla Pass, which is at the height of 17,582 feet. I must tell you, going through this pass was far more easier than Changla Pass, because road was beautiful. I mean, thanks to PRO, they are doing so hard work. I mean, we cannot imagine. It's cold. Even, some of the roads in the plains are far worse than this. So, I must say, cheers to PRO. So guys, I've reached Muri Plains or Mure Plains, whatever we call it, and I've just stopped here for a bit, and this is total aloofness. If you can come here and pitch your tent, the whole place is for you.
send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
So guys, you can see these are small tornadoes. There was one more that just vanished. Isn't this amazing? Hey guys, so I've also crossed La Chungla Pass, which is at the height of 60,616 feet, and I think I'm gonna move here because it's getting dark and I have to reach Sakshu. So see you later. So friends, I've started day 10, I guess. I don't even remember the number of days right now. I guess it's day 10, and I'm at the top of Baralachla Pass. I guess this is the last pass before reaching Manali. And this pass it just keep on getting treacherous and treacherous. There was a big water crossing earlier. So I just crossed that. We scared the hell out of me and everybody who was there. Lots of cars were stuck, but we managed to, pass that water crossing. Last night I stayed in tent. The tent was okay. I mean, it was a bit expensive for a single person. It is always very expensive for a single person, but it's okay. I was very tired and need something to sleep. The snow is really awesome. If I can show you the snow, it's pretty fresh, as if it snowed last night. Just that when I left for Pangong, I decided to move back to Sarchu, or you can say Manali, because that tour was getting a bit longer and I was getting very tired. I hope when I come next time I'll definitely go to Hanle and Somuriri. Guys, I hope you are able to see what I'm seeing right now. The view is awesome. The snow is pretty fresh, it seems. I don't know the camera is doing justice to this beautiful view or not, but yeah, I'm trying my best, guys, to show you what I can see. So yeah guys, see you later. So guys, Chispa is just 3 kilometers ahead, and Kelong is about 1 hour ahead, and Manali is 140 kilometers. It will take me around 4 hours to reach Manali. Every day I find something new to conquer, and today it was the day of water crossings. I mean, we found like 2 or 3 water crossings which were I mean, it's really hard to cross it, and at some point of time it's dangerous too. It's not for the normal of 800 people crossing that amount of water, because it was almost a waterfall. You are crossing a waterfall, not a small water crossing. So I found 3 of them. One was okay, so many people were there, so they helped. Another 2, one was like water was flowing from the mountain like waterfall. I hope there is no more water crossing. So the latest news, petrol has been vanished. Guess I'm lucky that I bought extra petrol. Going to put in that petrol in the bike. So guys, I'm at the famous Dundee petrol pump. My friends are saying if they remember last time when they came in 2013, this was, nothing is there. Right now if you look at it, there's a sort of a city, around it. So, wow, how things change. This is just amazing. But right now we have smooth roads. In the city, you have dhabas and everything you can eat, even drink, and we have houses, guest houses. See how things change in the span of 5 years. Let me show you the view. So guys, some of my friends say that Switzerland is a beautiful country. We want to go there. That's why I just want to show this. This is our India. So guys, I've reached Rohtang Pass. When we were kids, everybody used to say that Manali chalte hai, Rohtang Pass chalte hai. So this is that Rohtang Pass. But the difference is that I came from the different side. I came from Leh, and we used to came from Manali. So that's the difference. Apart from that, it seems same like all of the passes that I've crossed yesterday and today. But this Rohtang Pass have sort of a attachment to the heart, because we've been here like 15-20 times since our childhood. This time I'm feeling so glad that I've crossed this, because this is the last pass. After this we're going to Manali. This Rohtang Pass gets a lot of crowds. I might get lots of traffic when I'm going down to Manali, but yeah, so far so good. This is the most famous, or rather I say, pass. Yeah, guys, see you later. So this is the famous paragliding point, and today I don't think we're gonna see any paragliders today, because you can see it's all fog. Yeah. So maybe next time. Cow. Manali. Yeah. I don't think she's advertising anything.